Welcome. In front of me is a VIVO X60 Pro, and today I'll show you how to hard reset the device through recovery mode. Now this process will also remove a screen lock if you have one that you don't know. Now what it will not remove is a Google account, so if you want to remove a screen lock and you can't access just the home screen normally, you can perform this, but once you are going through the setup process you will need to verify your Google account. So anyway, as you can see, I can unlock this device, so I'm going to quickly lock it and keep it in this state, and basically I'm going to progress from here as though I don't know the pattern or I don't have my finger. So let's start off by powering off the device. So hold the power key, select power off, and once the device turns off you want to hold power key and volume up at the same time. From here, as you can see, I already did selected by mistake letting go the key, but you want to use volume keys to navigate and select the recovery mode and confirm it with power key. From here, simply tap on clear data, clear all data. Only phone system data will be clear music. Well, that's not really what I'm looking for. So let's go back and see if there is anything else. Nope, apparently there isn't. But actually, we can still deal with this. So this will be a little bit more complicated, a little extra steps basically. But we can select clear all data, confirm it, and what will happen is it will clear not all data like it says, because it does keep basically everything that you have. But assuming you only want to remove a screen lock as an example, when the device resets right now, it will go through the setup process, and from there you can set it up. Now if it's locked by Google, you can log in, and from there you can go through settings and also perform a full factory reset if you want to just remove also literally everything from the device. So now we can just go back, restart. So as you can see, there is the setup screen. Now I'll go through it. Now there's I'm gonna do something a little bit different just for the actual ease of it. Hello, can you select? No, thank you. So as you can see, I am required to connect to Wi-Fi. That is because the device is right now locked. So let me put in the password. So as you can see, there is the verification pattern, but this is to unlock the device, but you can also use a Google account instead right here. Now, just for the ease of it, I'm going to go back to the actual pattern. It's going to be a little bit easier for me to unlock and quicker. But basically the same thing, as you can use either or. So as you can see now, I don't need to use the Google account to verify it, so I can simply skip this. And assuming you want to perform a full factory reset of your device, which you cannot do through recovery mode, you'd basically go right now after you finished up with the setup. You'll go through settings, which let me just quickly finish this up. There we go. So you can go through settings. Let's go all the way down to system, reset options, delete all data, and then erase all data, which will begin the process. Now, obviously there is no need for me to go through this. It's just going to be another one of factory resetting and then another setup screen. But at that point, the device will basically remove everything from it. So that being said, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.